Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Kasi we propose to park destination. Meron po tayong Cadlao Lagoon, Helicopter Islands, Erin Beach, Snorkeling area, and then meron po tayong Cliffside Beach. Okay?
Hi guys! So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hidden Beach. Ito ang unang stop sa Tour C. So medyo reverse ang ginawa ni Kuya para daw hindi kami sabay sa ibang mga nagtutour. Kaya yung last stop dapat, yun yung inuna niya. So ito nga ang Hidden Beach. Ayan. Yan naman ang mga, ano ba kita dito? So makikita nyo dito ay ang mga iba't ibang limestone formation. So yan, kung nakikita nyo yung likod ko and merong sand. So kita nyo naman yung buong boat namin. Kami lang ang nandito sa portion na to ng beach kasi wala pa masyadong mga tourist. What you can do here is you can swim, you can take lots of pictures, mahilig kayo sa mga ganong bagay, mag-TikTok and all. And may bonus kasi nakakita kami ng mga monitor lizards who were attacking mga turtle eggs. So sabi ni Kuya, may turtle na nag-lay ng eggs doon. So pinuntahan namin and we tried to save the eggs. Ayan. So sabi niya it's a common occurrence here na ganun talaga daw nangyari. Minsan may mga turtles who are laying their eggs, about 100 to 150 eggs, and then may mga monitor lizards talaga because they are the natural predators na kakainin nila yung eggs. So pag nakakakita sila ng ganyan, sinisave nila. They try to save the eggs para naman yung mga turtles is mabuhay, diba? So here, ganda. Ang ganda guys ng likod ko, diba? Oh, limestone formation. Limestone formation all around. Hello. Yan, nandun yung boat namin, dun kami nag-park. So, hindi na kailangan ng life vest kasi mula sa dinaungan ng bangka is mababaw naman. You can walk dito eh. You know, it's knee-deep water. Very clear. Diba, no? Ang linis. Ang linis guys ng tubig. Sobra. Ito pa lang, this is so worth it. This is worth it for you to book the Tour C tour and be able to see this.
Guys, so this is what you call vlog takeover. So this is vlog takeover. So yan. So magpi-prenup lang sila dun sa heart shape na parang cave. Ano? It's a rock formation there.
So, ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa snorkeling area kung saan mag-snorkel tayo sa green water. Ayan. So, dyan tayo magda-diving mamaya para makapag-snorkeling and according kay Kuya, pag nandito daw, tinatali lang yung mga boat sa baba because hindi sila pwede magbaba ng anchor kasi maraming mga bagong tubong corals. So, dito sa El Nido, they protect the marine life kasi syempre, kailangan ng nature yan. Kailangan natin yan, a vibrant marine life. hi guys! Nandito tayo sa ating lunch area, Bulalacao Island. Hi guys! So, ito po yung lunch namin dito by the beach. So, ayan, nakita nyo, we have packed lunch courtesy of Sagwan Restaurant. Ayan, ganyan na po ang itsura ng mga lunch dito sa El Nido because pinagbawal na nila yung mga buffet dahil sa mga incidents. So, when you go island hopping, make sure meron kayong packed lunch. Usually, courtesy na rin yun nung tour. Pero kung hindi man, pwede kayong bumili sa mga DOT accredited restaurants. Ayan, so, kain muna tayo. Guys, so natapos na tayo ng lunch and andito pa rin tayo enjoying swimming here in Bulalacao Island. And as you can see, ayan, tingnan nyo, again, many limestones formation. So, di ba? Ang ganda talaga dito sa El Nido. Adjust natin. Ayan. Ayan, kita nyo. Ayan, o, di ba? Lush vegetation. Oh, taas ng mga bundok. Ayan. At ayan yung mga boat namin nakaparada. And of course, super clear water. Sobrang linaw. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Oh. Diba? The water is so clear. Nandito tayo sa area na maraming medyo bahunta nga lang dito guys. Medyo madami lang mga sea grass. Yun. Yan. Pero, kaya naman, malalakad yun naman siya. Mababaw lang. Yeah! So, yan. So, kung kayo ay hindi pa nakakapunta ng El Nido, mag-book na kayo ng trip, pagplanuhan nyo na. And this is a relaxing day compared sa kahapon na ang dami namin ginawa. And then tomorrow, we are going on our luxury experience here in El Nido. So, mga niyan! Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Helicopter Island. Grabe! Ang ganda! Look at the sea. It's green. And then it's blue. And look at the sand. It's so white. It's sobrang pino ng sand. And that's white sand from that point, which is not our boat, all the way to that point, which is our boat. So, yeah. Sobra, and lahat ng gagawin nyo dito is to explore the island, find a nice place na pag-relax, and yan, we are trekking kasi sabi ni Kuya from where we park there, pupunta kami all the way to the other side, which is pwede na kami punta doon. And this is called Helicopter Island because of the mountain here sa likod ko, which is shaped as a helicopter. So, meron akong footage nung GoPro namin, pakita ko ano yung naging itsura niya. And so, medyo mainit lang kasi hapon, and as you can see, we are blessed with blue skies. Kahit na it's the middle of a rainy season, and just last week, sobrang ulan doon sa amin sa Bulacan. So, ang official name ng island is Tumacan Island. And, as you can see, di ba? We are walking along this island, and it's a great place para mag-swimming, mag-relax, all these things kasi the water is so nice. So, later, we're going to take a dip sa beach na yan. sa waters na yan, which is so clean, so clear. Hindi ka mauubusan ng swimming spot. And ayan, mukhang nakahanap na kami ng shady place kung saan kami ay tatambay muna, magpapahinga, and just enjoy the beach bum life.
Nagpapadel. Kala ko ba tapos na to? But look guys, look at Cadlao Lagoon. They also call it Blue Lagoon. Dahil sa, actually mababaw lang yung tubig kasi it's color green. Uy, nakakatakot sa harap! Pero hindi siya yung kagaya ng blung-blung wala ka nang makita. At least ito, may nakikita ka.